Construction key points. During construction, rubber gloves, soft-soled non-slip shoes and safety rope should be worn throughout the whole process. 1. Introduction. Tiando Athletics Solar Roof Pro. 2. Installation tools and materials introduction. Work clothes, measuring tape, electric drill, box cutter, ink fountain, wire stripper, cable, rubber gloves, glue gun, measuring appliance. Structural adhesive, waterproof auxiliary material, nails, pendant, wood support, solar shingle, half tile, block and ridge tile, and cloaked verge tiles. Cloaked verge tiles, 1/8 tile, quarter tile, ventilation tile. 3. Construction workers. Construction objects work in pairs. 4. Construction. Roll out waterproof layer. Use a tape measure to measure the length. Keep the spacing at 88 cm. Cut the waterproof roll according to measured dimensions. Positioning and secure the layer with a nail gun. Glue the overlap together. Lay out rafter. Use a tape measure to measure the length. Start marking 3 cm away from the eaves. Mark each 50 to 60 cm interval. Cut the rafter according to the measured size. Then paste the self-closing adhesive pad. Fix the rafter along the installation line. Batten installation. Measure the distance of 5 cm from the eaves. Easy to install 5 by 4 cm batten. The interval of battens is 34 cm. The batten is fixed along the mark row by row to the top of the rafter. Cloaked verge tiles installation. Install along the edge. Overlap size is 5 cm. Solar tiles installation. Reserve a suitable length of extension cable. Connect the cable and connector. Connect the cable and the single connector. Use a measuring appliance for testing. Measure whether the solar tile is connected based on resistance. The circuit is connected when the measuring appliance passes. The initial solar tiles is fixed with 10 cm margin against the cloaked verge tiles. Installed from left to right and from bottom to top. A row of tiles a string. Conduct circuit turn-on test. Non-generating tiles installation. According to actual size. Select half tile, quarter tile, or 1/8 tile for installation. Ventilation tiles installation. According to the generation tile area, the number of ventilation tiles to be installed is calculated. Use of ventilation tiles to ensure ventilation of the roof, reduce temperature and improve power generation efficiency. Hardened support installation. A stiffening support is fixed at both ends of each ridge. Upper surface with pass line. Take pass line as elevation line. The hardened supports were fixed at a spacing of 40 cm. Long batten installation. The fixed points of the long batten are located on both sides of the hardened support. Cloaked verge tiles installation. From bottom to top, fix the cloaked verge tile on the hanging tile until it reaches the top. Lay out the ventilation layer. Cover the ventilation layer on the long batten. The two sides are attached to the tiles. Ridge tiles installation. Install block and ridge tiles first, then install the ridge tiles. Inverter installation. The inverter is fixed on the wall with a hanger. Connection tester. The screen shows a minus sign. Connect it to the negative port of the inverter. The installation is complete.